Planning for higher studies abroad? Before you do anything else, please attend a Kanan Study Abroad event to plan it properly. Go to kanan.co/events and sign up for an upcoming event. You'll receive a gate pass in your email. Then, after you log in, you'll be taken to the lobby area. First, let's go to the booths area. The booths cover every aspect of your study abroad journey. While at the booth, you can download college brochures, watch videos, or interact with an expert on the topic. Next, let's go to the Exhibitors area. If you want to research a particular institution, this is where you should go. Next, let's enter the Webinars area. Here, you can watch live videos from experts. Each webinar is packed with information, guidance, and motivation. Attend as many as you can. Finally, let's step into the Help Desk area. Want to talk to a senior study abroad expert about your unique situation? Or download brochures and watch videos from various schools? You can do all that here. One really cool feature is the chat. It allows you to interact with many college representatives at once and save a lot of time. You can attend Kanan virtual fairs from the comfort of your home, right on your phone, tablet, computer, or a desktop. Our events are completely free of cost. So what are you waiting for? Log on to kanan.co/events and sign up for an upcoming virtual fair.